So what would actually happen inside your body if you ate absolutely zero food for 5 straight days? Would you just start to starve? Or would you kickstart this incredible healing process you never even knew you had? Well, in this explainer, we're going to go day by day and break down the fascinating science of what unfolds during a prolonged fast. And that's really the big question, isn't it? Is going without food for 5 days an active starvation, or is it a powerful tool for some pretty profound healing and regeneration? The answer, you might be surprised to hear, is wired deep into our biology. Okay, let's just dive right into this. Our modern world is built for constant eating, right? 3 meals a day, snacks in between. Junk food is available 24/7. But if you look at our genes, our bodies actually evolved for a totally different reality, one where we ate infrequently. So fasting isn't about starving yourself. It's about tapping into this ancient resilience that's literally built into our DNA. To really get what's going on, we're going to break this whole thing down day by day. We'll start with day 1 and how your body taps its first reserves. Then we'll get into the big metabolic switch on days 2 and 3. We'll hit peak efficiency on day 4, and then we'll look at the grand finale on day 5, and finally, how your body gets completely rebuilt. All right, day 1. The minute you stop eating, your body makes its first major shift. It stops waiting for fuel to come from the outside and starts looking inward, tapping into its own immediate energy stores. The very first thing your body turns to is something called glycogen. You can basically think of it as a fluid-filled sack of sugar that's stored in your muscles and your liver. And here's the kicker. For every one part of the sugar, it holds on to 3 parts of water. So as your body burns through all that glycogen on day 1, you also release a ton of water. That's why people often see a quick drop of 1 to 3 pounds right off the bat. Now, to make this transition go as smoothly as possible, you've got to support your body. Because as you lose all that water, you're also losing key electrolytes. So taking things like sea salt, potassium, and magnesium, along with B vitamins and some trace minerals, well, that's absolutely crucial. It helps you avoid things like fatigue or muscle cramps while your body gets used to its new fuel source. So here it is, the most important point of day 1. As your sugar stores run out, the hormone insulin just plummets, and that drop flips a massive switch, allowing your body to start burning its own fat for fuel. You see, you haven't stopped eating. You've just changed the menu. You are now eating your own fat, 24/7, and that right there is why your appetite starts to completely vanish. All right, moving on to days 2 and 3. This is where the truly profound changes really start to kick in. Your body makes a huge switch into 2 incredibly powerful metabolic states, ketosis and autophagy. First up, ketosis. This is when your body is just humming along, burning fat, and producing these amazing molecules called ketones. And let's be really clear about something. Ketones aren't just some backup fuel. They are the brain's preferred primary fuel source. We're talking incredible mental clarity, focus, and even a boost in your mood. And then there's autophagy. It's pronounced autophagy. The best way to think about this is like your body's own internal deep cleaning and recycling program. When there's no new food coming in, your body finally gets the chance to go to work, breaking down old, junky, damaged cell parts and recycling them into new, healthy tissue. It's the ultimate anti-aging system, and it's built right into your cells. And take a look at what's on the cleanup list. Autophagy goes after everything from your damaged mitochondria, your little cellular energy factories, to old viruses and bacteria that are hiding out inside your cells. It even cleans up precancerous cells. This process is just fundamental for preventing chronic disease and making your immune system stronger from the inside out. And get this, by day 3, right around that 72-hour mark, something truly remarkable happens. That deep autophagy process starts recycling old, worn-out white blood cells. This triggers the creation of brand new immune cells, effectively giving you a complete reset of your entire immune system. And at the very same time, your brain is getting supercharged. A compound called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, can shoot up by as much as 400% by day 3. BDNF is basically like fertilizer for your brain. It helps you grow new brain cells and ramps up your ability to learn and remember things. It just makes your thinking feel sharper and clearer. Welcome to day 4. For so many people, this is the absolute peak of the whole experience. Fat burning is at its maximum, hunger is just gone, and your body is now unlocking benefits at a genetic level. I know it sounds crazy, but by day 4, you could honestly care less about food. And why is that?
Well, because your body is so efficiently feasting on its own high-quality fat stores, it's totally satisfied. That physical feeling of hunger, it's simply not there anymore.
Now, deeper down, the stress from fasting is actually triggering these powerful survival genes. They're often called longevity genes, and they turn up all your body's protection systems. Your internal antioxidant networks get stronger, your hormones become more sensitive and efficient, and even the bacteria in your gut start to shift towards a more diverse and resilient community.
And now we've made it to day 5, the grand finale. All these benefits have been stacking up, but listen, how you end the fast is every bit as important as the fast itself. This is all about the art of refeeding.
Think about it. Your digestive system has been on vacation for 5 days. You have to wake it up gently. The key is to start really small with a meal that's maybe a quarter of your normal size. Bone broth is perfect because it's so easy to digest. Then just wait a few hours before your next small meal. And whatever you do, do not have sugar or refined carbs right away. Focus on high-quality proteins and fats to get that rebuilding process started. And now for the real payoff. This gentle refeeding isn't just about ending the fast. It's a signal to your body that the famine is over and it's time to rebuild. And that triggers a massive release of stem cells. These are like blank slates that can become any tissue your body needs, rebuilding your gut, your immune system, and your organs with new, stronger, healthier cells. To put it really simply, as Dr. Berg says, there are these powerful protective genes that get switched on during a fast, genes that protect your DNA, your mitochondria, your brain, and you never get a chance to turn them on if you never fast. So the science is really clear. A prolonged fast isn't about starvation at all. It's a deeply programmed process of cleaning house, healing, and completely rebuilding from the inside out. It's a full body reset, hardwired right into our biology. So the only question left is, are you ready to unlock it?